Pope Francis once said, letting ourselves be gazed upon by the Lord. This way, by which God looks at us, is in itself a way of praying. In prayer, we have to let the Lord look at us and let Him speak to us. With the words of Psalm 139, we can tell the Lord, "Search me, O God, and know my heart." We need not be ashamed. We need not be afraid. He is our Creator, and He knows us so well. He knows our weakness, but He also knows our desire to be holy as He is holy. As described by the prophet Elijah, God was not in the wind, nor in the earthquake, nor in the fire, but in a small voice. This is why we need to love silence, because only in silence can we hear the voice of God. Speak, for thy servant is listening.